Welcome to the first of 14 videos on the arc flash truth no one explains. My name is Joe Chacon. I'm the president of Podge LLC and Chacon Engineering. I'm a licensed professional engineer in multiple states and have been an electrical engineer for almost 30 years. Please like and subscribe as this helps us get this important information in front of more people. This video is going to define what an arc flash is. I think it is important enough just to devote one entire video to defining the term itself. I will start with the formal definition given by the Institute for Electrical and Electronic Engineers, which I'll refer to as IEEE from here on out. They define an arc flash as an electric arc event with thermal energy dissipated as radiant, convective, and conductive heat. I had a professor from the 1990s that called it letting the smoke out. I've heard others through the years use that term. I know many that like calling it a thermal event. I'm not a fan of that definition because turning on your oven is also a thermal event. The phrase neglects to capture the failure that caused the thermal event and the true severity. Many arc flash events are benign, but there are some that produce tremendous amounts of energy. The temperatures exceed the temperatures of our sun. Some even produce as much energy as a Tomahawk cruise missile warhead. I hope you can now see why I don't like the phrase thermal event. During these massive arc flash events, there is a rapid radiant heat spread, massive plasma expansion, and a massive pressure wave. I've had the opportunity to intentionally blow up almost 100 enclosures with massive arc flashes over my career. We do this in a laboratory environment, usually several feet away from the enclosure and behind bulletproof glass. Even with this separation and bulletproof glass, the percussive wave would often rattle me even though I knew the blast was coming via the countdown. We measure the severity of an arc flash with incident energy. That is simply the amount of thermal energy impressed on a surface at a certain distance from the source generated during an electric arc event. That's the formal IEEE definition. I will address incident energy a bit more in future videos. The takeaway I want you to have from this video is to take arc flashes seriously. They often happen from switching breakers, using a meter, energized troubleshooting, or equipment failure. The next video is about what goes onto an arc flash label. Video 3 will address PPE, personal protective equipment. Videos 4 through 11 will be devoted to calculating incident energy and arc flash boundaries. That section of videos lives up to the series name, the Arc Flash Truth No One Explains. Video 12 will be about arc flash remediation and how to fix this industry problem. Video 13 continues that into a description of arc-resistant gear, and then video 14 wraps it all up with a positive twist.